The force that keeps the jungle in order. The brain that decides who is the leader and who is dust. This is not a myth. This is a gorilla. Forget about the wild monkey. Today you will understand why nature needs it. 10 functions of gorillas in nature. 1. Seed dispersal. When a gorilla eats fruit, it plants trees, spreading seeds throughout the jungle along with its dung, which is an excellent fertilizer. 2. Clearing the territory. By breaking bushes and branches, it creates openings for new plants and young trees. 3. Regulating the insect population. It eats larvae and worms, thereby controlling their numbers. 4th, protection of the troop. The male gorilla is a living guard. He protects the troop from snakes, leopards, and other males. Without him, the troop would not survive. 5th, teacher. Young gorillas learn from adults how to eat, where to sleep, and how to behave. It is not just an animal, it is a transfer of knowledge. 6. Nest building. Every night, gorillas build a new nest out of branches, thereby participating in the recycling of vegetation. 7. Maintaining biodiversity. Where gorillas live, there are always more birds, plants, and insects. They trigger a natural wave of life, a narcotic eco-signal. The disappearance of gorillas is a sign that the forest is dying. Scientists monitor them as an indicator of the health of the jungle. 9. Controlling vegetation growth. They eat a lot, thereby regulating the forest so that it does not become overgrown with weeds. 10. Support for ecotourism. Gorillas attract thousands of people. Their existence motivates people to preserve the forest. 10 unusual facts about gorillas. 1. Genetically 98% identical to humans. Yes, we are almost relatives. The structure of their bones and organs is almost the same as ours. 2. They can run up to 40 kilometers per hour, escape from an angry gorilla. Only in the movies. 3. They have different voices. Each gorilla has its own timbre. They communicate with more than 20 sounds. 4. They are led by the silverback. This is the dominant male with gray hair on his back. A leader, strategist, and warrior all rolled into one. 5. They know how to laugh. Yes, gorillas laugh, especially the young ones. These are not just sounds. They are social emotions. 6. They love order. Every morning they walk the same paths and build their nests in exactly the same places. 7. They are afraid of water. They cannot swim and avoid rivers like fire. 8. They are not aggressive. If you don't provoke them, you are just a guest to them. They shout and beat their chests, but they don't resort to conflict. 9. They can use tools. For example, a stick to check the depth of the water or knock down fruit. 10. Some know sign language. Gorillas in captivity have mastered up to 100 words in sign language and even compose simple phrases. Conclusion: a gorilla is not just an animal. It is a leader, engineer, educator, and hero of the forest. Without it, the jungle would collapse like a house of cards. Now here's a question for you. Could you be such a leader? Subscribe. Here we talk like men about nature, power, and the logic of the world. Every creature has meaning. We will reveal it.